Greetings everyone. Today, we will be exploring the process of registering suppliers and their corresponding opening balances. Now, let's jump into our example scenario. Based on the provided information, as of December 31, 2023, Zumna Technology Limited had 3 suppliers with outstanding balances. Mobile World had a balance of $3,000, TechZone had a balance of $2,500, and PhoneTech had a balance of $1,800. To document these details, find the suppliers option on the left side of your software interface. Select it and then choose the option to create new suppliers. In the specified field for the name, input Mobile World. You can ignore the other fields for now and proceed to save the information by selecting the Create button. To document the particulars for TechZone, locate the suppliers option on the left side of your software interface. Click on it and then select the option to create new suppliers. In the designated field for the name, input TechZone. To save the information, click on the Create button. To document the details for PhoneTech, we will repeat the process. Click on the Suppliers button, then select the option to create new suppliers, enter PhoneTech in the name field. Save the information by clicking on the Create button. To ensure accuracy, it is crucial to verify the correctness of information. To accomplish this, navigate to the Suppliers section located on the left side of the screen. Within this section, you can confirm that all necessary details have been accurately documented. Currently, only the list of suppliers has been provided without their corresponding opening balances. To proceed, let us move on to the next step of recording the opening balances for each supplier. To do so, locate and click on the Journal Entry button situated at the bottom left corner of your software. Then hit New Journal Entry button. To include the pertinent information, select Accounts Payable in the Account column and specify Mobile World as the supplier's name. Then, record the supplier balance of $3,000 in the Credit column. In the following row, choose Accounts Payable as the account in the Account column. Next, opt for TechZone as the supplier's name and input the supplier balance of $2,500 in the Credit column. Afterward, click on the Add Line button, select Accounts Payable as the account in the Account column, and choose PhoneTech as the supplier's name. Enter the supplier balance of $1,800 in the Credit column. Please bear in mind that the option to select suppliers relies on registering their names within the accounting software. Before moving on to this section, make sure you comprehend the first part of this lesson. Please ensure that you provide a brief description for this particular transaction, such as opening balances, and specify the date of the transaction as December 31, 2023. Before saving, make sure to tick the reference box to maintain accurate records. Take a moment to review your entries and then click the Create button to save. It's important to carefully verify the accuracy of the information you entered. To do this, navigate to the Suppliers tab and select it. Here, you can confirm that all the necessary details have been accurately recorded. Each supplier will have its corresponding balance displayed. If you are satisfied with the accuracy of the recorded information, you can proceed with confidence. In our upcoming lesson, we will guide you on how to record sales on 8skies accounting software.